Good morning, students. Today is Thursday, 6th August 2020, and today we are going to conduct our weekly test of English. And the topic of today's test is phrasal verb. But before beginning with our test, let's take a look at what we did in yesterday's video lesson. Yesterday, we attempted some written work in our notebook. Yesterday, we attempted composition of unit number 5, Robinson Crusoe, and I'm sure you would have completed your classwork and आप सब ने इसको complete कर लिया होगा, vocabulary भी learn की होगी with correct spellings and आपने dictionary skill भी practice किया होगा. Alright, so let's begin today's test. As you know that we always conduct our weekly test at the back side of the notebook. So similarly today we will attempt our test at the back side of the notebook. Let me explain that how would you prepare your notebook for the test. First of all, as always, you will begin by writing down the day, Thursday, followed by the date, 6th August 2020, test, and make sure that you draw a straight margin line as you see here right now. Then write down the topic, phrasal verb. Alright children, as you know that you always use black pointers to write down the statements and questions. So similarly, you will use black pointers to give heading and to write day, date and test. Alright, and you have to write down at the top right corner of the page your name and along with your class, because after completing the test in the notebook you have to send this test to us for checking and you will WhatsApp your test to us. Alright, then after writing topic, phrasal verbs, write down the statement, match the phrasal verbs with meanings. You have to match the phrasal verbs along with their meanings. Alright, so how would you do this? Here you will write 5 phrasal verbs. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? You will attempt this test for 5 marks and ये आपके पास 5 phrasal verbs हैं. To put out, to put away, to put off, to put in, to put up. Alright, all of these phrasal verbs, 5 of these phrasal verbs are given to you with the verb put, right? ये आपके पास 5 phrasal verbs हैं, right? और ये इसके opposite यहाँ पे आपके पास meanings हैं, but these are, you know, incorrect meanings written with to the opposite side. ये incorrect meaning है, but you are supposed to match the phrasal verb with their correct meaning. Alright, and how would you do that? As you know that हमने अपनी workbook पे match किया था by using coloring pencils. It's your choice that you can use any of your coloring pencils if you have got any. You see, आप कोई coloring pencil से match कर सकते हैं, right? Or you can use any of the highlighters, different highlighters if you're having, and you can also use different pointers. Alright, आप किसी भी तरह से इसको match कर सकते हैं by using coloring pencils. अगर नहीं है आपके पास तो आप simply आप scale से भी इनको match कर सकते हैं, right? It's your choice. So आपने क्या करना है? All you have to do is आपने यहाँ पे phrasal verb को उनके correct meaning से match करना है, right? Now let me read the meanings to you. To save money, to publish, to delay or postpone, to stay temporarily, to interrupt. As you know that a phrasal verb is something when we join a verb and a preposition together, we get our phrasal verb, and it has different meanings, right? So यहाँ पे phrasal verbs हैं, यहाँ पे इनके meanings given है. आपने phrasal verb को इसके correct meaning के साथ match करना है by using coloring pencils or pointers, markers, crayons, whatever you like to use for matching the meanings with the phrasal verbs, right? So that's how you will complete your test. After completing the test, you have to fill up your index. Alright, at the back side of the notebook, you see this is the test index. Write down the date, 6th August 2020, phrasal verbs, and total marks are 5. Date, topic and marks, right? So that's how you will complete your index. Alright, चिल्ड्रन लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग दैट दीज नोट्स, ये जो टेस्ट है आपका, टेस्ट के नोट्स जो हैं, आफ्टर वॉचिंग द वीडियो लेसन ऑफ इंग्लिश क्लास 5, आप प्लीज़ नोट्स के फोल्डर में जाइएगा, वहाँ पे ये अपलोड हुए हैं, राइट, और वहाँ से आप इसको अपनी नोटबुक में डाउनलोड करने के बाद कंप्लीट कीजिएगा. अपना टेस्ट कंप्लीशन के बाद यू हैव टू व्हाट्सएप दिस टेस्ट टू अस बाय राइटिंग डाउन योर नेम एंड क्लास, राइट. So that's how you will complete your test in the notebook. Alright, thank you very much. Look after yourself. Stay home. Stay safe.